In today's video, I want to share the real reasons why chickens are not laying eggs and what you should check immediately if this is happening in your farm. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take this for granted. I'm so grateful, and if you are very new here, my name is Esther from Esther Farm. So kindly subscribe if you haven't, and God will bless you. Today I want to talk about a problem that many farmers face, including me. Sometimes you feed your chickens well, you give them water, you take care of them every day, but when you go to collect eggs, you find very few eggs or sometimes none at all. Now let us discuss the reasons why your chickens are not laying. And the first reason is I will start with age of the chickens. Um, Chickens start laying eggs at around 5 months of age. They produce the most eggs during their first year, but after around 18 months, egg production can start reducing slowly. So if your chickens are older layers, it is normal to see fewer eggs, and that is why as a farmer, you should always plan you should also plan when to replace old layers with younger ones. In Esther Farm, I had a problem like this and I had to sell all my layers and I started again. The second reason is poor feeding. As we all know that egg production needs a lot of nutrients. If feed does not have enough protein, vitamins and calcium, the chickens will not lay well. Layers also need good quality layers mash and sometimes additional calcium like crushed egg shells. So if the feeding is not balanced, the chickens may look healthy, but egg production will drop. Another thing is that some farmers underfeed their chickens and they end up not laying well. Also, this can occur when you change the feed you are using to another one. And this really happened to me and the production was too low. The third problem is stress, and this is a big problem because chickens can stop laying if they are stressed, and stress can come from many things such as too much noise around the poultry house. For example, one time I was upgrading my coop, so there was activities that were going on in my chicken coop. Due to that noise of my carpenter, the whole of that week my chickens dropped in egg laying, and that is when I realized chickens doesn't want any stress, but after I finished they resumed to laying as usual. Predators like dogs or cats disturbing them. Now, like in my farm, I have a dog and a cat. When my dog is barking so hard, when I enter into my chicken's house, you find the chickens so alarmed. And also when a cat enters into the coop, they also make a lot of noise, and this can lead to low egg production. So try to avoid this noise. Another thing is overcrowding in the house. This is also a big problem. You should not overcrowd your birds in one space. Provide enough spaces for the movement and be able to feel free. If you overcrowd your birds, this can also lead to cannibalism. They start pecking each other. Also, when moving chickens from one place to another, suddenly when you move your chickens to another place before they cope with that place, they stop laying. Then after some time, they start laying once they get used to that place. So when chickens are stressed, their bodies focus on survival instead of egg production. Reason number 4 is diseases and parasites. Diseases and parasites are also a major cause of low egg production. If your chickens have worms, mites, lice, or infections, they will become weak and stop laying eggs. That is why farmers should all follow good vaccination programs and regular dewormings. And this you should keep repeating, especially for Newcastle vaccine and deworming every 2 months. You vaccinate and you deworm your chickens. But you should not do it at the same time, one at a time. Also, you try all means to avoid diseases in your farm by observing cleanliness and biosecurity measures in your farm. Doing this, you will also increase the production of eggs in your farm. Reason number 5 is lack of clean water. Water is something many farmers ignore, but it is very important. If chickens do not get clean water and fresh water all the time, egg production drops quickly because eggs contain a lot of water. So if the birds are dehydrated, they simply cannot produce eggs properly. So always make sure the drinkers are clean and filled with clean water. Before I knew this, I never used to care about water throughout, but I could not find eggs. But when I realized the importance of water, I always fill my drinkers, and this is very important. Reason number 6 is lack of enough light. Chickens need enough light hours to lay eggs. Normally, chicken needs allowed 14 to 16 hours of light per day for consistent egg production. Now, like during rainy seasons or crowded days, egg production may reduce because there is less natural light. So, some farmers use extra lighting in the poultry house to maintain egg production. The last reason I'm going to talk about today why chickens are not laying is brooding behavior. Sometimes chickens stop laying because they want to sit on eggs and hatch chicks, and this behavior is called brooding. When a hen becomes brooded, she stops laying and just sits on the nest most of the time. If you want egg production, you may need to separate brooded hens. So, in conclusion, if your chickens are not laying eggs, check these things. The first one is age of the birds. The second one, quality of feed. Number 3, stress in the poultry house. 4, diseases and parasites. 5, clean water supply. Number 6 is enough light. And number 7 is brooding hens. Most farmers lose eggs simply because they overlook one of these important factors. This video is a request of one of the viewer, and I hope I have answered the question clearly. I hope this video helps you improve egg production in your farm. If you learned something from this video, subscribe to Esther Farm for more poultry tips and real farm experiences. Also comment below and tell me how many eggs do your chickens produce per day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.